Today I will share with you a silver silk building empty mobile foam bag that is super suitable for summer. I used a kitten ball plus 1.5 silver wire hollow cotton. It looks like a small ball but 100 grams. Rice 13.5 pot needle. First, hold the thread in your left hand and lock the needle to pull it up and cut 23 braided needles. After cutting the 23 braid needles, start hooking a short needle into the second braid needle. A short needle plus a needle means 2 short needles in 1 needle. After hooking the short needle with needle, hook it to 20 short needles in order. After 20 short needles are hooked, 4 short needles are hooked in the last needle. This turns to the other side, and the other side starts to hook the needle at the cross injection of the 2 braid needles. There are 20 short needles in total. After hooking the 20 short needles, hook a short needle into the last needle and add a needle. Remove the marking buckle and the first pin pulling wheel tip. Just put the bottom of the bag and it's done. Next, start hooking the wrapping body and locking 4 braid needles. Hook 2 unfinished long needles in the same branch. Hook the winding wire into the needle to bring the wire out of the winding wire through the first 2 coils. Then continue to hook an unfinished long needle. After hooking, wind the wire and pass through all the coils. Then continue to lock 4 braid pins. In this needle, hook the needle. Start hooking 2 unfinished long needles. After hooking, wind the wire and pass through all the coils. This completes a set. Next, the 5 needles are empty without hooking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it out in the needle behind. The next step is to repeat the first set of hooking methods. Demonstrate the thread lock 4 braid pins again. Then hook 2 micro and half long needles in the same line. After hooking, wind the wire and pass through all the coils. Continue to lock 4 braid pins. In the needle below, hook 2 unfinished long needles. After hooking, winding the wire through the coil. This completes the second set. Next, there are 5 needles without hooking. After pulling and pulling the needle in the back, start to repeatedly check the needle. until this lap is finished. The first lap of the cat was completed. The second circle starts by hooking the needle in the middle of the previous circle. So pull the line to the middle position. Adjust half of the braid to start pulling out. After pulling to the middle position, start hooking. The same method as the first circle. Lock 4 braid pins. Then, the first braid needle hooked 2 unfinished long needles. After hooking, wind the wire and pass through all the coils together. Then continue to lock 4 braid pins. In the needle below, the needle starts to hook 2 unfinished long needles. This completes a set. Then pull out at the middle of each group in the previous circle. Just pay attention to the position of the needle starting and the position of the end pulling and pulling in the second circle. The hooking method for each circle next is the same. Just be stubborn to the height you want according to your needs. I have been enclosed for 12 rounds in total. Has this empty cell phone helped you learn it?